Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Kumar and today I would like to discuss my views on whether electric vehicles are future or not. So first of all, electric vehicles are cars, buses or two-wheelers which works on electricity instead of petrol or diesel. Many countries aim to reduce the air pollution or carbon emission and also wanted to limit the use of fossil fuels in their countries. The demand of electric vehicles are increasing day by day. Now I would like to discuss some points in favor of electric vehicles. First of all, it reduces the air pollution as conventional vehicles are responsible for higher emission of harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides or nitrogen oxides which are harmful for health and air quality, whereas electric vehicles have zero tailpipe emissions. The second thing is about dependency on oil. India is one of the larger importer of crude oil, which can be reduced by use of electric vehicles. The next thing is about government supports. So the government wants the buyer to show more interest in electric vehicles by sometimes by providing subsidies. Now I would like to discuss some challenges associated with the electric vehicles. First of all, the limited amount of gas charging stations in many areas of India. Second thing is about the battery concerns, as battery production requires some critical minerals like lithium, cobalt, manganese, which can be get by mining, and mining is not a eco-friendly process. And the next thing is about the higher initial cost of electric vehicles over conventional vehicles. So in my opinion, electric vehicles are a very important part of future, but we will have to do some works on on battery performance, on higher initial cost, and also we'll have to fix the problem of charging infrastructure. So the most important thing is the gradual transition from conventional vehicles to electrical vehicle is important and more practical than the immediate replacement. Thank you.